Learn verb variations and their Igbo meanings. Igbo, English. Number 1 are dupuo. Dupuo is our parent verb. Dupuo means pierce, that is to use knife or to use needle to make a hole on something, to open something. That is the meaning of dupuo. To use sharp objects like knife or needle to make a hole on something. That is the meaning of dupuo. We are going to use this verb dupuo to form other verbs by adding prefix mgbakwunye nganihu or suffix mgbakwunye nsonaazụ to change it to other forms of verb. Let's start. Number B, idupu, to pierce. Idupu, to pierce. You have seen that we put prefix here. E is our prefix. We put it to dupuo, it becomes idupu, meaning to pierce. Number chi, dupuru, pierced. Dupuru, pierced. You can see that we put riu. Riu is our suffixes. Number D, na dupu, piercing. Na dupu is piercing. This is our prefix. Na e, na e, na adupu. We add na e to dupuo, it becomes na dupu, is piercing. Number A, ga dupu, we pierce. Ga dupu, we pierce. When you hear ga in Igbo language, it's a verb that tells about future, something that will happen later, not that moment. Number C, ga dupuo, go pierce. Ga dupuo, go pierce. When you hear ga, ga, it is a command. So ga dupuo, we put ga here to this dupuo. It changes it from dupuo to ga dupuo. Remember, ga is our prefix. Number G, adupula, don't pierce. Adupula, don't pierce. You can see here that we add a as our prefix. We also add lea, la as our suffixes. So this one has both prefix and suffixes. We add them to dupuo. It changes it from dupuo to adupula, meaning don't pierce. Number B, adupuhi or adupuhi, did not pierce. Adupuhi, did not pierce. You can see that we add a as our prefix and also he. They are our suffixes. We add both prefix a and the he as our suffixes and prefix to this dupuo, this verb, to change it from dupuo to adupuhi, did not pierce. Number he, garadupuo, went and pierced. Garadupuo, went and pierced. You can see that here gara is in past tense. Gara is in past tense. So we put it as our prefix to dupuo, it becomes garadupuo, went and pierced. So have you seen that we change this verb dupuo by adding prefix and suffix or suffixes? From dupuo we have idupu, to pierce. Dupuru, pierced. Dupuru is in past tense. Na adupu is piercing. Ga dupu, we pierce. Ga dupuo, we pierce. Adupula, don't pierce. Adupuhi, did not pierce. Garadupuo, went and pierced. So we have changed this verb by adding our prefix, suffix. So like and share our videos. We are going to be using them one after another to make our sentences as usual. Share our videos. Follow us for more.